Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I put on a really weird sort of sexy voice then, like I was trying to seduce you all. But yeah, I have got another Chanel unboxing for you. Let's get this bad boy out of the bag. I know it wasn't too long ago since I did one of these, but I'm really excited. I'm gonna come out a little bit so we can see this all a little bit better. You know when you have a bit of a panic and you're like, is this the one that I wanted? Like, I can't, because the box seems smaller than what I remember it to be. So I've kind of just like had a bit of a freak out. Okay, no, fine. We're all good. Oh, it is the one that I wanted. Oh, I don't know why I freaked out like so badly, but yes. So I just wanted a really big, soft, jumbo bag to carry all of my things around. I know Lorna Luxe has got a super large version of this. This is the downsized version of it, and it's just freaking awesome. So for size, let's have a little look at this. Let's compare it to my classic over here. It's really weird because basically I'm so used to this one like looking massive in photographs. Like it feels like really big to me. But then picking up this one, I'm like, oh, this one seems quite small. But then when I compare it to this one, like obviously there's a huge size difference. So this is like the classic flat bag, and then this one here is made out of a different fabric. The leather is not as rigid, it's a lot softer, and inside it's not got the same kind of insides as it. I'm gonna take all this out. It's basically just a very sort of larger, simplified version of this one. This one's like the classic. It has all the bits and the bobs inside of it. I know that's a real technical term. It's got the coffee spills on it, it's got the burgundy lining, all of this. It's got like a little secret compartment and things like that. And like this one has like the little compartment here, which originally was designed for love letters, I believe, to be stashed in, which is kind of cute because I put I put my just a little, like the note that came with my flowers that my boyfriend sent me on my birthday in there, because you know I'm a soppy idiot like that. So yeah, I'm really sorry. This video was I'm really tired. I'm really jet lagged. So this video is like literally been, and I also got my and I'm just, so you know, I'm just really tired. I'm really tired and I look like crap, and yeah, I managed to get this bag dirty already. So yeah, anyway, let's have another closer look at this bag. Sorry, I'm like literally more with it now. So we can like have it like this, and we can have it like that, and it's just a really cool oversized bag. I wanted one that fits my little laptop in, because basically I wanted like a, I don't know why I'm sitting like this, but I am. Yeah. I feel like I'm drunk. But this is jet lag for you guys. Sometimes this is how it makes you feel. But yeah, I just wanted one that would fit my laptop in, so that I could have like a really like badass like meeting bag, like chuck shit in. So I'm gonna go and have a look and see if my laptop fits in here. Because if it doesn't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So here we have my 12-inch MacBook, and I can confirm it fits in the bag very nicely. Okay, this is good. I need to put some other stuff in there because otherwise it's gonna look a bit of a funny shape. Great, good news. I'm gonna see what else I can fit in here. What else do I need a big bag for? Okay, let's try, I'm gonna try my boxing gloves. I'm thinking this might be a little bit ambitious. So I box several times a week. I think these might fit. Ah, baby. Fits. Yes. So now I've got a bougie boxing glove bag. So yeah, you know what? If you want a bag that you can fit lots of things, I mean, I could probably fit this all in at once. Yeah, if you want a bag that you can fit loads of shit in, this is the one for you. I want to check what style bag this is. Does it say? This is like a little cleaning thing. Just cardboard. Okay, so let's keep it nice and clean. It just says it's a flat bag. So I don't actually know what it's called, it's just a flat bag. I think it might be like a maxi one. I'm gonna try and figure it out for you guys. I will link it below. But yeah, basically I just wanted a really big ass bag that I could put all my shit in, and now I have one, and I will stop spending all my money on things that I don't need, because I would one day like to get on the property ladder and own actual proper assets. I mean, I guess a Chanel bag's an investment as well. Apparently Chanel bags are like growing in price more so than property is. So perhaps I have made a better investment than property. Maybe I should buy more Chanel bags. But then again, I can't live in a Chanel bag. I mean, I could nearly live inside this bag. It is nearly big enough, but not quite. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. I promise I won't be quite so... Ooh, what's in here? Oh yeah, so I will... It just says Chanel. It's just... it just says flat bag. I will... Flat bag noir. And I'm gonna... I will... If these numbers mean anything, I'll write them down in the description box below. So yeah, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, like I said, I promise I won't be so jet lagged next time I do a video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Waste all your breath.